Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can remove the background of any image using Adobe Photoshop, or you can separate the object from a particular image. So make sure that do watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So first of all, make sure that the background layer is selected. Then you're gonna go and select pen tool. After picking up pen tool, you're gonna go and choose path and then mask around the object. After masking, go to the layer panel and in vector mask, select current path. You can see the mask is created. Now, on the second, delete the first layer and then create a new layer and place this layer before the mask layer. Now click on the circle icon and click on solid color. Now select any of the color just according to yourself, and here we go. So this is basically how you can remove the background of any image. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.